Hey, welcome to day 3 of going back to school. So I am on way later than I'm normally on to shoot these videos. I've been doing it late afternoon, but tonight's later video kind of coincides with the topic today of sleep support. So as the kids head back to school, sleep is a mighty important component of that because we want them to be getting the rest they need. Their little bodies produce growth hormone when they're sleeping, so we want to make sure that they get into a good routine of that and they're getting enough sleep and they can function at school with the two past topics we talked about of immune support and brain support as well. So if they're sleeping, their immune system can stay bumped up and support their brains. And we're going to go over some oils that are going to help them do that today. So again, this series is called Glowing Back to School, and it's focused on really helping our kids thrive naturally as they headed back into that school year. My daughter's already in her second week of school, which is crazy to me. And we use these tools all the time. So I can't wait to share tonight's topic with you. Or today's topic. And I am tired, so I will be going to these oils after I get off this video. So first oil up for sleep support. Are you ready for it? It's gonna be a huge shocker. Lavender, as I drop it. Lavender is probably the most widely known oil to support sleep and relaxation, which makes it very universal, right? So if you are new to oils, this is a great one to start using because you'll probably know right off the bat that lavender does support rest and relaxation. So I'm gonna share with you some of the oils we use for sleep and a few different ways that you can use them. Again, it can go far above and beyond what I have right here. So just note that there are many other awesome options, but we don't have all night, right? So lavender, first of all, is great in the diffuser. I actually have it going in my daughter's room right now. If you are diffusing in your kiddos' rooms, I would just pop some oils, some of the sleep support oils, into their diffuser 30 minutes before they are ready to go to sleep. And then they can have blissful dreams as a result. So tonight I have lavender in my daughter's diffuser with another one I'm going to talk about. I'll talk about it next. So yeah, this is a great one to use in the diffuser. I love popping it in my daughter's bath before she, or in her bath at the end of a day, and with Epsom salts. And you could even put a few drops on a pillowcase. So if you don't have a diffuser or you don't want to do an Epsom salt bath, just even putting a few drops on a pillowcase is really effective, or the bottoms of the feet. So that's lavender. And what I paired it with tonight was Roman chamomile. So Roman chamomile is one of those oils that I just simply love. So if you can see my bottle, it's almost empty. It just smells so beautiful to me. I've actually added a drop of it to my evening tea to have that to calm and relax me down. It's great for the skin too. So I have it paired with lavender in my daughter's diffuser right now. I have 2 and 2 drops, but you could also do those 2 in the baths as well. This is great on the bottoms of the feet too. If you enjoy putting oils on your feet to get throughout your body, that's a great way to apply oil, especially at nighttime. You can get your kids in routine of putting a drop of oil on the bottom of their feet, rubbing them together, and then, tucking them in tight. So that's the second oil. And again, Roman chamomile is so beautiful and it pairs really nice with lavender. Now I'm going to talk about a blend that is really great too. It is Serenity. So this is the Restful blend, I think. Yes, Restful blend. And it has a combination of oils that are all really promoting of rest and relaxation and sleep. I love it because it does have lavender in it, and it has really grounding, earthing oils, like I mentioned. So it's a beautiful blend too, so you don't really have to do anything. It's not like you have to become this master oil mixer. This blend has you covered because it has a bunch of oils in it to promote rest and relaxation. So this is a great one to pop just single oil into the diffuser, or I love putting it on the bottoms of the feet to or before I go to bed. It really helps me sleep better, and it's got a beautiful florally, obviously because it has lavender in it, scent, but it also has vanilla in it, so it's gonna make it smell really really nice that way as well. Sorry, I'm ready for sleep. I'm so ready for sleep. Okay, next one would be Balance. So Balance is the grounding blend, but it's just such a nice combination of oils. So again, this is a blend of oils. Again, this is one I like to start my day with because I am kind of an anxious person. So it could be used on the latter side for kids too. Or before bed. It pairs beautifully in the diffuser with lavender or serenity, or even on its own, because again, it is a blend, but it's very earthy and rooty if you like those kind of scents, which I do. I really identify with them. They really speak to me, just because of the oils it has in it. So again, if you think of oils that are really rooting and connecting and grounding, that is going to have a more powerful effect on helping, you know, just calm and relax you down. So Balance is another one that I love popping into the diffuser, or again, even into the bath or on the bottoms of the feet. So whatever you feel comfortable with, or whatever you remember from this video, use that for that. Okay, I'm just going to cover two more, and then I'm going to give you a special sleep spray that that you can make up to spritz on pillows, which is another great way to benefit from the oils, and it's already pre-made and it'll last you a long time. Okay, so next up is juniper berry. So juniper berry is probably my daughter's favorite oil, I think, because it has berry in the name. It has nothing to do with the oil itself, because she's a blueberry fiend, so she probably associates that with juniper berry. But the good news is that it is great for sleep support, so go her. It can actually help with kids who have nightmares, and you know, they're not experiencing really good dreams at nighttime. So this would be a good one if that is the case for them, to pop into the diffuser. I do love it in a diffuser blend with some more florally oils, just to kind of bring up the smell of it. So this would be another recommendation. And then finally, if lavender or serenity or balance or any of those aren't working, then you need to go to the next level of sleep support and get these kiddos to bed and get them sleeping through the night with vetiver. So vetiver is probably my top oil for sleep support, and it's like the next level. So like I said, if lavender is not working, if serenity is not working, go to vetiver. It really helps promote deep, good sleep. I like to think that I sleep deeper when I have it on the bottoms of my feet, is where I primarily will apply it. It just helps me so much. So it's definitely the next level sleep support. It's really beautiful in the diffuser blend, or in the diffuser too. I love pairing it with Roman chamomile. But like I said, it's very effective just on the bottoms of the feet, because then it's going to get throughout your body within a matter of minutes. And you know, you're going to get the benefits of it that way. It smells very earthy, so again, that's why I identify with it. It's really sap-like too, so I've switched out the top, and now I have a dropper top on it just to get it out, because as you can see, it's so sappy. So if you have this oil and you don't have a top like this that you can put on it, it's going to take a while to come out, so you got to be patient with it. So yeah, that's vetiver, and it's so beautiful. So I love this oil. Okay, and like I said, bottoms of the feet or in the diffuser are great places to use it. Now for a sleep spray. So I love doing this too. Of course, I can't find our bottle. I have this cute little bottle that says Zen Blend on it, and I can't for the life of me find it. It's probably hiding in my daughter's room somewhere, but it's the cutest label and the cutest bottle, and just know that it exists. So what goes into that Zen Blend? You can grab a 2 ounce glass bottle, and then what you would add is 2 drops each of that juniper berry I talked about. So 2 drops of juniper berry, 2 drops of lavender, and then 2 more oils that I don't have here, 2 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of wild orange. And what you would do is you would just top with water, and then when you're ready to use it, you can shake it up, and then you would just spritz on your pillows or your sheets, probably 10 to 20 minutes before bed, just so it gives it a chance to dry. And then you're gonna breathe in those sleepy vibes through that. So that is another way to simply incorporate the oils. So I mentioned putting a drop of lavender directly on your pillow. Well, now you can disperse them in water. And again, you wanna shake up the bottle of the water and the oils before spraying it on the pillows, just because water and oil don't mix. So if you're shaking it up and then spritzing on the pillow, that will definitely help, immerse them into the water and then spritz them onto the pillows. So that is today, talking about sleep support. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, the hub for this full series this week on glowing back to school for our kids can be found at bit.ly/glowing back. So all the information that I just talked about, I will be posting there along with the past 2 days. You will find them there as well. So let me know if there's any questions. Hope this was helpful, and I will see you again earlier tomorrow to talk about another topic that's going to relate to these kids and them really thriving holistically as they head back into the school season. So hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow.